Okay, let's do this one. The goal is to have the robot arm pick up the barrel and drop it in this large bin. Let's look at the Python code commands to do this. So, this line code points to the robot arm. This XYZ position is the barrel location for the arm to move to. I set 2 seconds sleep here so that it can grab the barrel. 1 second is too fast. It has to be able to grab the barrel before execution of the next line of code. And this line is to pick up the barrel. And this XYZ location is where to drop off the barrel into the bin. And finally, this line releases the barrel. Okay, let's run the program and see if it works. And here's another view of it. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye.